Hello everyone, this is Akash, and today in this tutorial we'll be going to discuss about Jira. Jira, like all about the Jira, what is the Jira is about, and what this tutorial will be going to discuss about. Okay, so we'll be going to discuss that first. Okay, Jira. First of all, we will try to understand what is this Jira. Before going to what is Jira is, and we'll be going to talk about all about basics and advanced concepts. We'll be going to discuss about basic and advanced concepts of Jira. Advanced concepts of Jira. You might be asking like what will be the prerequisite for the Jira, right? So prerequisite is only the manual testing you should aware about it. If you are aware about it, that is well and good. If you are not having that much understanding, I will just try to explain you all from the scratch. Okay, so like what is Jira? In this Jira tutorial we will be going to discuss about. We'll be going to discuss about features, what is the installations, okay, features, what is the features that is going to provide the Jira, and how we can install the Jira software. Okay, these things we'll be going to discuss, issues and workflow. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll be going to understand what is Jira and why the Jira is important for us actually. Okay, so we'll be going to discuss that first now. So we will go to create a new workbook so that we'll be trying to understand what is Jira is about now. First I'm going to explain what is a Jira is about now. So Jira will try to understand what is Jira is exactly. So Jira is nothing but, first of all, it is a software testing tool basically. Okay, what is a Jira? Jira is a software testing tool basically. Okay, to test the software, it is one of the tool basically. Okay, it is a software testing tool. So who has developed that? It was developed. I have not developed that. Okay, it is developed by Australian company. You might be knowing that, right? Australian company, Atlassian. Okay, Atlassian company has developed this. Okay, this developed by Jira software was developed by Australian company, that is Atlassian. Okay, so what is that basically is doing? You might be telling that this is Jira is a tool for software testing. Now what is it used for? What is used for that is, okay, this software is bug tracking tool. Okay, what is a bug now? Let's say in real time there will be some of the errors or some of the crash issues might be occur during the building the software, right? So you will be having a bug. Okay, so there will be issue. Okay, in short you can understand it is a bug tracking tool. Okay, Jira is a bug tracking tool that reports, okay, that reports all the issues. Okay, that report all issues. That report all issues. All issues related to what? Software, related to the software and the apps. Okay, related to the software and apps, applications you can say. Web application apps means that may be related to the web application, or it might be an Android application. Okay, that can be anything. So the word Jira comes to, in the Japanese word Gojira. Gojira means nothing but Godzilla. Okay, Gojira is nothing but Godzilla. So why I am talking about these things? Okay, you will be able to understand. Okay, we have understood what I will recap once again for 1 minute. Jira is nothing but a software testing tool. It was developed by the Australian company Atlassian, and it is third thing is bug tracking tool that report all the issues related to the software and the apps. Okay, and the Japanese word Gojira means Godzilla. Okay, so in which methodology Jira is basically, if you have understood like agile methodology, so Jira is based upon the agile methodology basically. Okay, agile methodology. So we'll try to understand greater details in the next video about it. Like what are the things that is based on agile current version of Jira is 6. So we'll be going to understand that useful aspects in the next video. Thank you folks. Thanks a lot. In the next video we'll be going to understand.